Welcome back guys to my channel. This is the Mendozas. Today we're gonna unbox this second generation Beyblade. This is the Storm Pegasus. This is the Midfake. Again, it's a Midfake. It's better than have nothing. Okay. So this is the box. So let's open it. By the way, I bought this from China. Okay, there's nothing left. So first, it comes with manual, stickers, the track and the bottom, and the lock. So it comes with string launcher. So let's get the string launcher first. They sell pretty good and pretty bad in the mid-level. So this is the launcher. The plastic quality looks good. But it feels smooth also, and it has a Takara-Tomy branding here. Okay, next is the clear wheel, the energy ring, and the face bolt. This is the energy ring at the back. The clear wheel, and the face bolt. Next is the track and the bottom, and the lock also. This is the lock. It comes with the color blue, and it has a Takara branding also. The track. Comment down below what kind of track is this. And the bottom. The tip is made from rubber. Yep, made from rubber. Okay, let's put it together. I had this before, this Beyblade, but I sold it. But yeah, it clicks. So let's get this sticker and put it on the face bolt. I'm gonna use this one. Alright, there you have it. My Storm Pegasus from Midfake Takara-Tomy. As you can see, very beautiful second generation Beyblade. Let's compare it on the others. So this is the Storm Pegasus and the El Drago Destroy. Size comparison. Yep. Next is the Flash Sagittario. Oops, sorry. is the Phantom Orion or Phantom Orion. The Fang Leon. And the Big Bang Pegasus. Maybe in the near future I'm gonna buy the Galaxy Pegasus. And the latest Beyblade generation, the 4th generation Grand Sword. There you have it, guys. My latest cup Beyblade, another addition to my collection, Storm Pegasus. So thank you for watching, guys, and this is the Mendozas. See you on my next content. Don't forget to like and subscribe.